Nestled amidst the rolling hills of Santa Monica, California, lies a haven of modern luxury, the Sapire Residence. This architectural masterpiece seamlessly blends breathtaking ocean views with a minimalist design, creating a symphony of light, space, and nature. Step inside, and the feeling of openness washes over you. Floor-to-ceiling windows retract, blurring the lines between the interior and the spectacular panorama before you. Sunlight streams through, illuminating the meticulously crafted living spaces. Operable walls slide open, drawing the fresh ocean breeze and the endless blue horizon deep into the core of the home. But the brilliance of the Sapire Residence goes beyond just the view. A series of landscaped fingers reach out from the hillside, creating a unique interplay between nature and architecture. Elegant bridges gracefully connect the interior with these natural extensions, inviting you to explore the topography and appreciate the original beauty of the landscape. Every detail in the Sapire Residence speaks volumes about the dedication to craftsmanship. The use of board-formed concrete walls creates a textural canvas, while the warmth of white oak shiplap adds a touch of natural elegance. The meticulous attention to detail is evident in the seamless integration of various elements. Walls are positioned with precision to ensure that no part of the design disrupts the flow of the materials. This commitment to quality extends to the private spaces as well. The master suite boasts a tranquil sitting room with a unique, artisanal metal fireplace, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. A skylight casts a gentle glow over the wood-paneled hallway, leading to a haven of luxurious his-and-her closets. The en-suite bathroom is a true oasis, featuring direct access to the sparkling pool and a private patio adjoining the marble-clad double walk-in shower. Imagine stepping out of a refreshing shower to enjoy the cool breeze and the sound of the waves lapping at the shore. The Sapire Residence caters to every whim, offering a sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting its golden glow on the house, the Sapire Residence truly comes alive. The reconfigurable screens create a warm, inviting atmosphere, allowing you to enjoy the panoramic view without the harsh afternoon sun. Whether it's basking in the morning sun with the ocean breeze caressing your face, or enjoying the cool evening air under the starlit sky, the Sapire Residence allows you to seamlessly connect with the natural elements. This home is a testament to the power of architecture in creating a harmonious relationship between humans and nature.